In this chart, we have taken date by year and month and sum of profit. So in this column chart, as we can see, there are positive bars, which are profits, and some of the bars are negative because we don't have profit. So this one and this one are negative bars, but it's not quite clear because all the bars have same color. So we learned how we can customize the colors based on the rules. So in this, we have to go to visual, then we need to go to the columns. And in columns, in colors, we have that conditional formatting option. When we click on this, we have 3 type of formatting styles. So right now we are using a simple one, gradient, which shows all the bars fully. Now there are 2 options, rules and field values. So first we'll check rules. So in rules, we have to set the rule based on which field. We want to apply rule on profit. Right? So if the value of profit is more than equal to 0 and less than the maximum number, then we need to show the bars as, let's say, blue, which is all the positive numbers. Then we need to apply a new rule, which will say if the value is more than the minimum value and less than 0, then the bars will become red. Click OK. You can see the negative ones become the red and the positive ones are blue. So we can add the rule according to our requirement. Now, the second one, field value. For that, we can write a simple DAX formula for customizing the color, like this one, profit color. It says if the sum of profit is more than equal to 0, which is positive, then the value will be, color value will be green, else it will be red. That means if the value is negative, then it will be red. We can also give the color codes here according to the requirement. Now let's clear the previous formatting. Let's use a new one. In this one, we will use, instead of rules, we will use field value. And in field value, we'll give the name of our measure that we created, profit color, and click OK. It will use this measure on our chart. Positives are green and the negatives are red.